This is a Milwaukee Packout explosion. Now, we've been through stores all over the Great Divide, all over the U.S., South, North, and we see these stores loaded with Packout, right? Just loaded. But in store, they're not lowering the price that much. But check this out. $67 for that large toolbox. You know I love it. You know I really like this one. But here's the kicker for all you freaks out there. All right, now listen, $94.99, pretty good price. We might have seen it a couple dollars cheaper during the holiday season, but this is pretty good, guys. $94.99, and remember, Home Depot ships pretty much for free. All right. Now I put a couple different addresses in, and it's worked in at least 3 or 4. All right. If you have any issues, put in Southport, Virginia, I guess. But it's worked in like 3 places. I even checked back home. All right, so these Packout boxes are in plenty, obviously in store, but they must have a pretty big inventory in their warehouses as well. All right. Wait, I just clicked it. Wait, time out. You saw it. You saw it say 64. And then I just clicked it. And now all the price. Well, look at this. What the freak just happened? It said 94. All right, I got to pause this. So literally right before our own eyes, right before you were there, man. You saw it. Okay? You saw the 64. You saw the 94. Well, now they must have changed the price right in front of my eyes. This was one of the stores that I put down originally, 534 Katy, Texas. All right? Now it's all back up. I mean, what the freak? I'm shocked. I mean, we've had some price changes happen while we were talking, but nothing like this. They literally changed the price right in front of me. Right in front of us. I mean, they got 30 in this East Liberty store. 30. I don't know, guys. Let me know. I don't know what to do here. You know, I knew about this last night, and I didn't make a video. But I just literally put it in this morning, and it was, still the same price. Then I'm like, all right, let's do the video. And you saw it, the price. And now they jacked them all up right in front of my very eyes. Our eyes. I don't know, guys. If you can find a zip code, please let me know underneath this video. I thought I had something really good for you guys. I don't know. Literally, the price changed right during the video. But I think we're going to see these start to drop, guys. There's just so many in stock. It's insane. This is incredible. Good thing I had that in the beginning where I could prove that it was, $64 and $94. $134 for this bag. My God. A lot of money for a 20-inch tote, guys. $134. Here's the 15. If you're looking for any of these totes, look, because they're giving, a free tape measure or a free pack of screwdrivers away. Here's 109 for the 15. I'll try one more zip code, but yeah, here's the 20-inch. Not only, again, is it $5 cheaper than the 134, right? But you're getting an 8-piece screwdriver set. So do your due diligence here. All right, this is insane. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. I checked 3 stores. All right? I checked 2 last night, and I checked 2 others this morning. And I actually clicked them. And as soon as I clicked them, this said 64. I clicked it. It said 79. I went back, and it said 79. What a joke.